Hey, it's Nightish again. So how's doing everyone today? I'll share 10 romantic vacation photography tips that will make your pictures look absolutely stunning. So let's get started. Capturing love in remote paradises. In remote paradises, love shines against stunning landscapes, capturing not just the scenery but the emotions shared between couples. Vacation photos become treasured memories. Sunlit smiles, beachside embraces, and stories that last long after the trip ends. Exploring off-the-beaten-path locations adds excitement, helping couples connect away from the crowds. Whether it's a quiet sunset or spontaneous laughter, these photos capture intimate moments that transport you back to a time when love and adventure were all that mattered. Choose the perfect time of day. The right time of day can turn an ordinary photo into something magical. Early mornings and late afternoons, known as the golden hours, offer soft, flattering light that enhances colors and creates a dreamy feel. Twilight, or the blue hour just after sunset, adds a serene glow and depth to your photos, making cityscapes sparkle and nature look otherworldly. By embracing these moments, you can capture the true essence of your vacation and create lasting memories. So, skip the midday sun and explore the beauty of different lighting throughout the day. Embrace natural light for stunning shots. Natural light is a photographer's best friend, especially on vacation. The golden glow of early mornings or late afternoons can turn any scene into something magical. Skip artificial lighting and let the sun bring warmth and life to your photos. Position your subject with the sun behind for stunning backlighting, or shoot during the golden hour for a soft, dreamy effect. Step outside and capture your travels in the most natural, beautiful light. Find unique backdrops in nature. Nature offers countless stunning backdrops that can make your vacation photos extraordinary. From vibrant sunrises over mountains to twilight reflections on serene lakes, each season brings its own beauty. Spring blooms for romance and autumn colors for warmth. Exploring hidden gems like secret waterfalls or secluded beaches adds depth and uniqueness to your shots. Incorporating elements like weathered trees or wildflower fields creates captivating focal points, making every photo a cherished memory. Experiment with different angles and perspectives. Experimenting with angles and perspectives can turn ordinary vacation photos into captivating stories. Try crouching low for market details or shooting from above to capture vast landscapes. These unique perspectives add depth and invite viewers to see the scene. You can also frame your shots with natural elements or architecture, creating layers that draw attention to both the foreground and background. Play with symmetry and asymmetry to evoke different emotions, and stay creative to make your photos truly stand out. Incorporate personal elements in photos. Incorporating personal elements in vacation photography transforms ordinary snapshots into meaningful narratives. By integrating unique objects or symbols that represent personal experiences or cherished memories, you infuse your images with depth and emotion. For instance, including a beloved book or a family heirloom within the frame can evoke a sense of nostalgia, making the photograph resonate on a deeper level. Such thoughtful details not only enhance the visual appeal but also tell a story that transcends time and place. Moreover, capture candid moments that reflect your personality and interactions with your surroundings. Engaging with locals, participating in cultural activities, or simply enjoying a quiet moment can create striking images that showcase the essence of your journey. This approach shifts the focus from merely documenting locations to celebrating the richness of human experience, allowing viewers to connect with your narrative on a personal level. Ultimately, these personal elements enrich your vacation photography, transforming it from a simple collection of travel images into a vibrant tapestry of memories and emotions. Capture candid moments for authenticity. Capturing candid moments on vacation is about more than just taking pictures. It's about preserving the essence of experiences. Spontaneous shots like laughter around a campfire or awe at a sunset capture genuine emotions that posed photos can't. To get these authentic moments, blend into the background, use natural light, and stay observant. By anticipating moments, your photos will tell a story of joy, spontaneity, and the vibrant essence of life. Use props to enhance romantic vibes, Incorporating props into vacation photography can transform ordinary moments into unforgettable memories, especially when capturing romantic vibes. Think beyond traditional poses. Items like a vintage picnic basket, a vibrant beach umbrella, or a simple bouquet can add charm and context to your photos. These props not only enhance the visuals but also tell your unique story, creating a narrative that lingers long after the trip. Strategically chosen props can also set the mood and evoke emotions. A cozy blanket on a scenic hillside invites, while twinkling fairy lights add an enchanting touch during twilight. By selecting props that reflect both your personality and the destination's spirit, you elevate your vacation photos from snapshots to heartfelt captures of love and adventure, enriching your memories every time you revisit them. Edit thoughtfully for a dreamy look. When capturing the essence of vacation photography, thoughtful editing can transform an ordinary snapshot into a dreamy masterpiece. This involves more than just adjusting brightness and contrast. It's about enhancing the mood and emotion behind each image. Utilizing soft color palettes, gentle vignettes, and subtle filters can evoke a sense of nostalgia and wanderlust, inviting viewers to step into the scene. Consider focusing on the details, highlighting the interplay of light and shadow, or emphasizing vibrant hues that reflect the destination's culture and atmosphere. Moreover, embracing negative space in your compositions can create a tranquil feel, allowing the viewers to breathe and immerse themselves in the landscape. A delicate touch with grain and texture can add depth, reminiscent of film photography, which often carries a timeless quality. By curating your edits with intention, you not only enhance the visual appeal, but also tell a more compelling story about your travels. Each image becomes a portal to those cherished moments, capturing not just what was seen, but how it felt to be there. Cherishing memories. Through photography serves as a powerful medium through which we can encapsulate fleeting moments, transforming them into lasting memories. Each snapshot tells a unique story, allowing us to revisit the laughter, joy, and even the quiet moments of reflection experienced during our travels. Vacation photography, in particular, becomes a visual diary of our adventures, capturing not just landscapes, but also the emotions tied to those experiences. As we scroll through our photo albums, we are transported back to sun-soaked beaches or bustling city streets, reigniting feelings we thought had faded. Moreover, the act of taking photographs encourages mindfulness, urging us to be present in each moment. When we focus on framing a scene or capturing the essence of a loved one's smile, we engage deeply with our surroundings. This conscious observation enhances our travel experiences and allows us to appreciate the beauty in the mundane. By cherishing these images, we create a tapestry of memories that not only enrich our personal narratives, but also inspire others to embark on their own journeys. In this way, vacation photography becomes more than mere documentation. It evolves into a celebration of life's transient beauty. So these are 10 romantic vacation photography tips for couples in remote paradises. Wish you every happy couple life. Subscribe our channel to know more photography tips. All the best and thank you. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Again, best wishes to your couple life.